The floor is visually complete. One reading falls within range. Is the system ready for acceptance? Not yet. Acceptance should confirm the installed pathway under defined conditions, not only appearance or one convenient test point. First, confirm the product and system identity. Record the product series and production lot. Confirm the approved adhesive and welding materials. This establishes the product basis behind the electrical results. Confirm that the seams are complete. Confirm the copper tape and grounding connections. And collect the relevant installation and test records. This establishes what the electrical results belong to. The test map should cover representative locations and critical interfaces. Depending on the project specification, this may include point-to-point resistance, resistance to ground, or other required measurements. The distribution of locations should follow the agreed acceptance plan. For every result, record the method, electrode, and instrument. Record the location, temperature, and relative humidity. And record the measured value. A result without its conditions is difficult to reproduce or interpret. Where flooring is part of a personnel grounding system, evaluate the intended footwear with the floor. Applicable programs may require person footwear floor resistance testing. They may also require walking body voltage testing. The operating interface belongs inside the acceptance question. Where carts or mobile equipment depend on the floor, consider the intended casters, wheels, and electrical continuity. A compliant floor cannot provide an effective path for an object that does not make electrical contact with it. The complete pathway remains the unit of performance. Acceptance criteria should be agreed before procurement and applied after the installation reaches the defined test condition. Any failed location should be identified and investigated. Correct it where necessary. Then retest under the same documented method. Initial acceptance is one stage. Facilities may also require periodic compliance verification under their ESD control program. Submitted sample evidence supports early selection. Installed testing closes the construction stage. Ongoing verification shows whether the pathway remains effective in operation. Acceptance verifies the installed pathway, not only the product. Read Judy Matrix Notes 010 at judymatrix.com. Next, if two systems meet the same electrical requirement, how should sheet and tile formats be compared? Curiosity before certainty. See beyond.